Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Robux to Roblox account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In this guide, we'll cover two methods. First, how to redeem a Robux gift card if you already have one. And second, how to buy Robux directly to add it to your account. If you have a Robux gift card to redeem, start by opening the Roblox app and tapping More in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Help and Safety. After that, tap on Help. In the search bar, type Redeem and search for it. From the results, select How to redeem and spend your gift card. Here, scroll down and tap on roblox.com/redeem. Here, enter your gift card code, tap Redeem, and the Robux will be added to your account. Alternatively, if you want to buy Robux directly, go back to Roblox app and then tap on the Robux icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and choose the amount of Robux you want to purchase. For example, you can select one of the available packages by tapping on it, which will highlight your choice. Complete the purchase process, and once the payment is successful, the Robux will be added to your Roblox account automatically. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Robux to Roblox account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.